Struggling with a monolithic on-prem Cognos setup? The agility of AWS and the promise of AI beckon, but your migration is bogged down. From complex framework manager models to intricate reports built over decades, Cognos migrations have unique challenges. That's why USEReady built MigratorIQ. We've helped many companies like yours modernize their analytics and prepare for the AI era. MigratorIQ is an agentic AI accelerator that cuts through the manual effort and risk, helping you migrate to AWS faster and with confidence. The result? A 45% faster time to market and a cleaner, AI-ready environment. Our process is simple. First, our assessment agent intelligently analyzes your environment, helping you plan your migration and choose the right modern BI and AI tools. Then, MigratorIQ takes over. MigratorIQ's agentic AI tackles those Cognos-specific hurdles head-on. It intelligently converts complex framework manager models, handles the often painful transition from CQM to DQM, and replicates even your most intricate legacy reports. The output? Clean, governed data, the foundation for trusted AI insights. Finally, our validation agent ensures 100% accuracy. You can retire your old Cognos servers and start leveraging the scale and power of AWS and your new BI tool immediately, knowing your data is prepared for your AI initiatives. Modernize your analytics, save costs, and build your foundation for AI. With MigratorIQ from USEReady, your path from Cognos to an AI-ready enterprise on AWS is clear, efficient, and accelerated. It's not just a migration, it's a transformation for the AI era.